number 48, conditional operators. So let's move on. Conditional operators. So in the previous video we have learned about the assignment operator. Now in this video we are going to learn about the conditional operators. Okay, so let's look at operators. As we have studied that the C language supports following types of operator, and we have studied about the arithmetic operators in the arithmetic sections. We have studied about the assignment operator and type in the assignment section in the previous video, about the single assignment operator, about the multiple assignment operator, and about the compound or shortcut assignment operators. Now we are going to learn about the conditional operators, and it is also known as the comparison operator and relational operators. Then after that we will learn about the logical operators, special operator, and bitwise operators. So let's look at the conditional operators. Conditional operators. So a conditional or a comparison relational operator is that operators. It means that you are finding a condition. If you find it true, then output is going to be 1, and if you find it false, then the output is going to be 0. So a comparison operators are used for compare two values and return 0 and 1. Okay. So if condition is true, then comparison operator returns you 1, otherwise returns 0. So actually a conditional, or we can say comparison, or we can say a relational operator is that operator which is going to return your output in two ways. That if the condition is true, then it is going to return you 1, and if the condition is false, then it is going to return you 0. Okay, so how it works, let's look at the different types of the conditional operators that we will use in our problem for solving different kinds of the problems in the C language. Okay, so here are these. These are greater than operator. Here you can say this is a less than operator. This is greater than or equal to operator. This is less than equal to operator. This is equality, or we can say equal to operator. Equal to operator, and this is not equal to operator. So let's look at the work of it. Greater than, find us the greatest value among them. Okay, so I have example. I have in a slide the two variable, that is a, b, and of course another variable, that is y. A is containing some value, that is 10 here, and b is containing some value, that is 5 here. And actually y is not containing anything. But here I am using that y here. Y equal to, because I am comparing these two values, that is why it is known as the comparison operator, or we can say conditional operator. Therefore I am comparing a is greater than b. So either it can return 1 or either it can return 0. And we know that if it returns 1, then it means the statement is true. And we know that when it returns false, then the statement is actually going to be, the output is going to be 0. Okay, so here y is equal to a greater than b, and we have in the slide a equal to 10 and b is equal to 5. So 10 is actually greater than 5, therefore it is going to return true value, and it is going to return you 1 in the value, or we can say in the variable y. So if we print the variable y, then it is going to return us y is equal to 1, because the condition is going to be true. And we have studied in the comparison operator, we can say conditional operator, is that a comparison operator or a conditional operator or a relational operator are used for compare two value and return either 0 or 1. If the condition is true, then comparison operator, relational operator, or we can say conditional operator is going to return you 1, otherwise it is going to return you. So here moving on to another operator, that is less than operator. So Actually, these all are operators are conditional operator, we can say comparison operator or relational operator, which is used to find the condition, relations, or comparing the two value. Okay, so here this is a less than operator and its work is to find the lesser value. So I am using this again, the condition, that is A is less than B. So here you can see that A is initialized to 10 and B is initialized to 5. And we know that the value 10 is larger than 5. Value 10 is larger than 5. And actually B is smaller than A. Therefore, this statement, because 10 is actually less than B, 10 is actually less than B. It is a wrong statement. Why it is wrong? Because 10 is not less than B. Then it is going to return you the false value, because 10 is not going to be lesser than 5. 10 is not going to be lesser than 5. Always 10 is greater than 5, therefore this statement is actually false statement. Therefore the value it is going to return you is 0. Therefore the result is 0 here. Okay. Another operator is greater than equal to operator. So let's look at the work of it. Greater than equal to operator actually finds the greater value. Okay. Or due to the fact that it can use for finding greater than or equal to. So here you are seeing I have used a statement that is A is greater than equal to B asterisk colon percentage D. So here A is greater than equal to B asterisk into 2. So what it means? It means that A is greater than or may be equal to B asterisk 2. So when I multiply 5 into 2, that is going to 10. Therefore this statement is actually correct. Why it is correct? Because A is going to be 10 and B is going to be 5 here. So 5 multiplying it with 2 is actually 10. And A is also 10. And here it is greater than equal to sign. Therefore 10 is equal to 10. Therefore it is a right statement, we can say. Therefore it is going to return you true, and true means 1. Therefore the output is A greater than B equal to B asterisk 2 is going to return you the value 1 here. Okay, moving on to another operator, that is actually the conditional operator, which is used for finding less than or equal to. So again in the same way I am using it. B is less than equal to A colon percentage D. Percentage D is a format specified and its work is to return the value, return this value. Therefore whatever the value it is going to give, that is going to be replaced here. And we know that I have initialized the value A equal to 10 and B equal to 5. So 5 is actually less than equal to 10. It is the correct statement. Therefore, it is going to return you 1. Therefore, the value is replaced with this format specifier. Therefore, the output is this. The conditional operator is equality operator, or we called it as a equal to operator. So here you are seeing that A equal to B colon percentage D. This is a format specified. Okay, so it is going to be replaced with this value. So whatever the value it is going to return, that will be replaced here with this format specifier. Okay, so here I have initialized A equal to 10 and B equal to 5. So actually A is not equal to B here. Therefore, this is the false statement. Therefore, it is going to return you 0. Therefore, the output is A equal to B is equal to, we can say colon equal to 0. Okay. Moving on the another operator of a conditional operator, that is the not equal to operator. So, not equal to operator says us that the conditions that is not equal to the value. So, here you are seeing that I have uses this operator, that is not equal to operator here, and we know that 10 is not equal to 5. 10 is actually not equal to 5. Therefore, it is going to return you the true value. Therefore, the output is going to be 1 here. So, this was all about the conditional operator, which is also known as the comparison operator and relational operators. So, it is going to help you in solving the problems of different programs in C language. It is very basic concept, or we can say it is a need for understanding the C language. So this was all about the conditional operators. So thanks for watching. Dhanyavad.